safe when she says, she tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my.
They tell me I'm so humble, I say I'm turning red. They let me lie to them and don't feel like they've been misled. They give so much to me, I'm losing touch, get me? Served on a silver platter, after seconds they just let me. They tell me I'm a god.
Send this video to your friends, and write under the video haha when they answer with haha. They are fake friends. And when they answer you this, they are real friends and watch your videos.
Here is why you shouldn't buy a dog. If you buy a dog, the dog is cute. When you look at the dog, you will love the dog. When you love the dog, you will do anything for the dog. You will give the dog your bed. When you give the dog your bed, you won't have anywhere to sleep. When you don't have anywhere to sleep, you can't sleep. When you can't sleep, you will be tired. When you're tired, you can't go to work. No work, no money. No money, no food. When you have no food, you will become very, very hungry. Then you will eat the dog. When you eat the dog, there's no more dog. When there's no more dog, you will become sad. When you become sad, you will become angry. When you become angry, you will fight someone. If you fight someone, you go to jail. And if you go to jail, you will die in jail. So don't buy dogs.
Some of y'all be like, I hate my life because nobody loved me. Oh, so I'm a nobody now. I'm a nobody. Now, shut up. Because I love you. And you just said nobody loved you. So that must mean I'm a nobody, right?
Guess which one is blue?